This video is for class 7 physics and we are doing the chapter heat. When this word heat comes in our mind, we can resemble so many things like hot, we can resemble sweat, we can resemble fire, we can resemble burning, and other so many things. But let us try to understand what actually this heat means in terms of physics. Now we can go to page number 66. Here in class 7 we'll learn what heat is in terms of physics. So we'll try to learn heat is a form of energy. So in winter we sit in the sun or near a heater and feel warm. The reason is that we receive heat from the sun. We are receiving heat from the sun or the heater, which we feel, although we do not see heat coming from the sun, neither from the heater. Thus, heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy because we cannot see. Is that the correct answer? No, it's not that, because we cannot see, because it gives us the sensation of warmth. Thus, heat is a form of energy which we can feel but cannot see. We feel it as the sensation of warmth. Now, the sun is the vast source of heat. Energy. Now, we can use this word energy along with heat. Okay, because now we have understood that heat is a form of energy, one of the type of energy. We on earth receive heat energy mainly from the sun. The heat energy of sun makes the water to become warm and evaporate from the ponds and lakes, which converts into the water vapor and form clouds. The water vapor from the clouds on condensation turn into rain. So basically here, from here to here, they are talking about water cycle. Probably you know what water cycle is. So plants use heat of sun to prepare their food by photosynthesis. Okay, right? In daily life, we observe that on rubbing our palms, they get heated because mechanical energy spent in rubbing the palm will get converted into heat energy. Similarly, on burning coal or cooking gas, heat is produced, that is, the chemical energy changes into the heat energy. On passing current in the filament of a bulb, it becomes hot because the electrical energy changes into heat energy. All these examples show that heat is a form of energy. So basically here what we learn is heat is a form of energy because it comes from other energies, Okay. Now, when we touch hot water, we feel warm, and when we touch an ice cube, we feel cold. So, is cold heat? Is warm heat? Okay, let us see. Let us try to understand what is heat, whether it is warm or cold. So, this happens because when we touch hot water, heat energy flows from hot water to the hand. Okay, so this warmth is because of the flow of heat. From hot water to the hand. And when we touch the ice cube, heat energy flows from our hand to the ice cube. So warmth and cold is just the sensation because of the flow of the heat. We feel warm when the heat flows into us, and we feel cold when the heat is flowing out from us. It is going out from us, right? So warmth and coldness are the feelings generated or created by the flow of heat, right? So what we understand from this paragraph is that warmth and cold both are the sensations created by the flow of heat, right? Warmth is created when the heat is flowing into the body, from the hot body to the cold body. So cold body will start feeling warm when the heat flows into it, and the hot body will start feeling cold when the heat is flowing out of the body, right? Thus, we can define heat as follows. Heat is a form of energy which flows from a hot body to a cold body. So, when they are kept in contact. So, heat, form of energy, okay, which can flow, right, from a hot body, always from a hot body to a cold body when they are kept in contact. When they are kept in contact. So, when heat is absorbed by a body, its temperature rises. When heat is absorbed by a body's temperature rises, while if it loses heat, temperature falls. So this particular line here, okay, I'm explaining with the help of an example. Suppose you take water, you keep it on the gas stove and lit the gas stove, okay, then what will happen? The water will get heated up, right? Or I can say the temperature of the water rises. Now what temperature is, okay, I think we have discussed that in class 6 also. We shall discuss this particular topic in class 7 as well, okay, afterwards in this chapter only. So, and if the same water, okay, instead of keeping it on the gas stove, suppose you are putting it in the refrigerator, then what will happen? Of course, the water becomes cold, which means the temperature of the water falls. So this much for this video. Thank you so much.